Third time I had to do this video, actually fourth I think. But today, little children, we are going to talk about the Roanoke Colony. If you don't know what that is, I'll tell you the story of the Roanoke Colony. The Roanoke Colony is an English colony that settled in North Carolina, USA, America. And, well, they were like, oh, let's settle here because it's a good land, but it was not good water. Water had parasites. There's mosquitoes carried around diseases and stuff like that, so it wasn't that good of a place. But the story behind it is, well, you know, obviously they were like, hey, let's go over here and do this. He was like, okay, why not? They went over there, and after a little while, they started running out of supplies, you know, food, water, stuff like that, you know. So a guy takes a ship to go back to England, I think, and he's like, hey, we need supplies. The guy's like, we're in a war right now, so we can't do that. He's like, well, crap. So he goes back, and everyone is missing. And he's walking around trying to look for clues, and on a tree, there's there's a word that says Roanoke on a tree. I might have to do a little research to, you know, see what that means, but I didn't go that much, you know, into detail with the researching, because today I'm talking about the theories. So, and this first theory I think is a bunch of baloney, because there was no bones found, and there was no bones found in the area. There's no human bones, you know. So I don't believe this one, but the first one is drought. Again, I just told you why I don't believe it, because number one, there's a lot of water. They can boil it. Number two, there ain't no bones. If they were to, you know, what's the word? Starve, I think it's it. Yeah, thirst to death? Starve or whatever it is to death. And they would have fallen on the ground, and their bones would have been left there. So, that, you know, I don't think it's true. This one is one of the more likely ones. It is Indians, because there's Indians in the area. Whenever they decided, hey, let's go there, Indians probably got mad, went up, they're like, my place now. They took everybody's prisoners, took them back to their places, like, there's a bathroom over there, it's a cup, yeah, or a hole. So yeah, they were probably like, you know, took them as slaves, or something like that. Or, I like this one the most. Aliens! Yes, aliens. Because they could have abducted them with their magical beam of light, comes down from their shuttle, picked them up, there's like, oh, there's a lot of people we can probe. Yay! And, you know, probably just, you know, threw them in the sea or something when they're done. It's like, ugh. Well, I probed this one too much. It died with the other pile of dead bodies. Yeah, okay. And, yeah. So, and still today, and this happened back in 19-something, or I think it's 1658, I think, around there. It's around the 1600s. And, around there, and, still, no one knows today what happened to the colony. So, like and subscribe, and I'm surprised that last video that I posted 2 days ago got 43 views. I know that's not a lot, but for my standards, my crappy content, that's a lot of views. And one of my videos that's been up for 3 months, it was one of my best videos of reviewing a gun. It had 40 views right now, and it was posted like 4 months ago. So like and subscribe, and see you in the next video, which is gonna be, I don't know. So bye.